Hello everyone, this is Plabani and I am back with a new excited video. Now why I am saying it is excited? Because this is the time when we are going to learn how through Panda we can verify source and target data set and generate a Excel report. Validate Excel report. That is how in real time organization happens. You will have a source, you will have a target, you will do all type of data validations through our ETL framework, and you will generate a report which you are going to present in front of management. That's why I say it is a very excited video, and that is why we should learn ETL automation testing. As you know, we have discussed different type of data validations in our previous series. So please go through them to understand what is pandas and why we need pandas. Now let us talk about first thing what we do. We need to read the files in pandas. How to install Panda, I have already communicated in my previous videos. You can go through that. What tool we are using, that also has been communicated in my previous videos. You can check into it. This is again Google Colab what I am using. It's a open source editor. Now, first thing is how we can upload the source and target file in Colab. That also has been discussed in my previous video. You need to just click here in Colab. It will connect it to your local desktop and then you can upload your files. Now, first thing, I'm reading the CSV file, step 1. This is my source file. This is my target file. Both are getting stored under this date, like variables. So this is a source variable. This is a target variable. Then I'm printing the source and target. If I just execute this, it will display source and target. Don't worry about the code. Code I will share in the chat. You can refer same code for your project. Just you need to use your own files. Yeah. Now, next is we wanted to see the count. For count in Panda, we use a command called len, L-E-N. Len of source, len of target. This will take the source and target count. If source and target count is matching, pass. If not, fail. So in this case, you can see source has 7 records. I have taken small record. Same will be applicable for the larger data set. And for target, it is only a 5 records. So here if you see, source and target is not matching. Again, you can see source underscore count, len of source, target underscore count, len of target, which is a data frame name I have given in my top code here. And then verify the data comparison. Now, next, what I am going to do, data present in source, not present in target. So, missing, I have taken a variable name. You can take any variable name. Source. So, this sign is not. Employee ID dot is in target. So, this is present in source, not present in target. So, when you do that, you need to use this sign dot is in. It means not present in target. It will display this record. It means this is present in source but not present in target. Similar way, it will be opposite. Present in target, not present in source. So you will use this sign. This is a not in sign in the target and is in source. So this record, what you see, it is present in target, not present in source. So this is the sign what we use. So if you are finding present in source, not present in target, this sign will be used in source and then dot is in target. If you wanted to do opposite one, this sign will be used in target, dot is in source. Yeah. Now we are going to do data comparison, data between source and target. Now, if I just execute this, you will be able to see this is the record which is not present in source, present in target. Now, we wanted to do each data, each column value comparison. For that, I have taken a variable called comparison source.marge. If you know, we have discussed this one. For joins, we use marge command here. Target on employee ID. Suffixes. So I wanted to suffix the data underscore source or underscore target because I wanted to see the columns. Column underscore source, column underscore target, so that I can identify the columns present in source, present in target, and not matching. Now first is name. I have a name source. Same is target. Department source, department target. Salary source, salary target. If I just execute this, you will understand how quickly you can generate this. So my employee ID is matching. Source, name underscore source, name underscore target is matching. Department underscore source, department underscore target is matching. Salary is not matching. In the source, salary is 5,000. In the target, salary is 5,500. So this is how you can verify each column row wise. Now I wanted to generate a summary because I wanted to generate a report. Now for the generate, we will be using a data frame, pd.dataframe. This is a command present in Pandas. I wanted to do the validation report where we will have row count is one sheet. Missing record will be another. These are the sheet name which I wanted to give. And each sheet contains these are the information. Row count, missing records, extra records, data mismatch. All this will get populated in the individual. These are the sheets. All these data will get populated in the individual sheet. Now, if it is matching, pass. If it is not matching, count, fail. Missing. How many records are missing? Extra. How many records are extra? What are the mismatches? So all this length will get present in our summary data set. Now I am generating a Excel. It's very simple. Why we use always in pandas, whenever you pass the path of your system, you need to use the R prior to that. It is a full path. R is full path. Now you need to use this full my system path, and I have taken this is my report file name. You can take your file name. Now summary which I have generated, that I am putting inside the Excel file. For that I am using the command called to underscore Excel. Again I am repeating summary dot to underscore Excel. I wanted to write this data. I am using writer. Sheet underscore name. For sheet name summary. Index false. Now, missing. Missing if you have, remember you have generated here. That you wanted to put it in the which sheet. I want to generate under the missing records. Now again you have another name extra. That you wanted to put it under the which sheet? Extra records. And mismatch, we wanted to put it under the mismatch record. So I have first created a summary, given the variable name, and each variable which contains the data, those data I am putting inside the each sheet here. Am I clear for everyone? So this is how you can automate your process, and that is why you learn ETL automation testing. If you really want to join my course to understand in detail ETL automation testing, you can reach out to me. My email ID plabani52@gmail.com. This is my email ID. You can reach out to me for joining the course on ETL automation testing end-to-end, where you will be learning Python, Pandas, PySpark, ETL framework, complete larger data validation. Hope you guys understood today's session why ETL automation testing is needed and how we can create an end-to-end framework and generate our Excel report. These codes I will be putting inside the comment. Please go through the code and come back with your questions. Thank you so much everyone for viewing my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.